टॉप बी स्कूल्स के स्टार्टिंग पैकेजेस आर एक्सीडिंग अ वॉपिंग 24 lakhs per annum. But what exactly is an MBA all about? ये IIMs वाले बच्चों को खिलाते क्या है? इंजीनियरिंग के बाद MBA? How to crack CAT and the GDPI process? More than 100,000 search queries on Google related to an MBA, and still many questions remain unanswered. And then comes a big regret. I wish I had planned everything related to an MBA a lot earlier. I wish I knew this. So here we are to answer all of your queries pertaining to an MBA. We are coming up with MBA Manthan, a compilation of 4 free power-packed sessions, namely understanding specializations in an MBA, 2 years of MBA life visualized, ABC Cube, anybody can crack CAT, and ask me anything, by CAT experts and top B schools alumni, with a single focus on answering all of your whys and why nots related to an MBA. So let's do this offline, face to face on the 7th of August in your city, Ahmedabad or Baroda. You also get a certificate.